Come here. Went by the Dollar General. I think that pack was $1. Them little things, you get the ones with the soap in them. Man, they work good. Clean very good. Well, it ain't fresh off the showroom floor, but I won't ruin a t-shirt every time I lean against it now anyway. A little better. Smooth anyway. Silliness. When people say they're gonna brighten the chrome up, this is what happens when it don't brighten up. It has stayed. I think the stainless will probably clean up pretty good because it's not rusted. It's just got that crud on it. I just ain't doing it right now on account of it being cold. The front didn't brighten up either. It stayed dim. gonna carry these for me? Thank you so much. Lead us to the cash register. Right behind you. Will you hand me that phone up there? It's right here on the chair. Thank you so much. Old carpet cutting. Me and my uncle, we laid some carpet together. Tell you what, we threw down a lot of carpet. Linoleum, we did linoleum. See that?
You broke it.
Broke it. You know why I broke that?
Because it's Harbor Freight.
Because it's Harbor Freight.
How do you go around? That's good! Come on, you go stay.
Yeah, I didn't break that one. Better luck next time.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody talks about things being made better back in the day. These old aluminum thresholds are garbage.
Still dragging.
Where's it dragging it?
There. Like right there. Daddy, at least there's no holes in the floor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No holes in the floor. No rat duty.
Yeah. And it doesn't smell like rat pee.
It smells like brand new
Carpet.
stuff around here.
Daddy, smell this. No, I'm not smelling it. Daddy, it's brand new. Daddy, that guy did a pretty good job on the panel.
Oh yeah.
They look exactly like this. The seats. They look exactly like this in this
Yeah,
way.
they turned out real good. I'm proud of his work.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But he just stamped. It's worth the price. He stamped it, but he didn't glue it. Daddy, would you say it's worth the price?
His work is worth what he charges for sure.
Yeah.
He does a spectacular
Job.
Spectacular job.
Daddy, am I cooking? Daddy, it's missing its button.
Missing its button, but we got one working right here. Ain't that cool?
Oh, let's go.
Wow.
Turn to this side.
Well, the door panels have returned. And they are absolutely... Oh man, that's nice. See if I still got the old one over here. Yeah. I'd say we stepped up the door panels just a little bit. That's the old ones. But there's the new ones. Man, that's nice. Okay. Well, why do I always start with okay, well? At any rate, here's the door panels. I'm pretty well satisfied with that. It looks mighty good. Mighty good, mighty good, mighty good. Well, Actually, so what's left, you can't really see it, but this little triangle spot right here, gotta come up with something. Probably gonna use this material here back in that corner. Hadn't really decided. I don't know if I want to do it there or use this tan vinyl stuff, but at any rate, it's a little bit farther along. The driver door, I got crap done fell down in there. Man, that looks so good. That is R&R upholstery in Hartwell, Georgia. He done my seats, did the front seat and the back seat. And the thing about, if you know anything about these Hudsons, that's metal. This whole thing is metal. And then you have a lower portion here. This cushion comes out, and I guess this cushion comes out too. I don't really know. I guess it would have had to. They got it covered. But then there's a metal frame. And man, they done a spectacular job. Between the door panels, I did the carpet, so that wrinkle is all me. All me. Is this stuff up here to cover this. I think I got enough to do it there. I think so. I just really, I don't know if you can get a good look at it. So there's black in there, tan in there, and dark brown. And it's called, that particular combination is called Espresso. Little company. I say little company, I don't know if it's big or small, but that's what they produce, and man, it looks good. Hook this battery up and I'll show you what my precious daughter, very misobservant, she found. How cool is this? This little light, and it still works. Ain't that cool? Man, them some rough thresholds. Ain't a whole lot I can do about that. I guess I could paint them, but it'd be nice if it was just a bulb out right there. What do you think? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Check this one out. That's nice, ain't it? Yeah. We just gonna go down the road.
Stop my feet off first.
Thank you so much. That's a strange parking brake. You know, you know. You know, you know. Window. Look at this. Power window. It's up. Power window, see?